So I'm getting the Audi ready for IFO. It's this Sunday, so like 4 or 5 days from now. Bought some last minute stuff for this car that's probably not going to be here by the time the show comes. But so just in case it doesn't come, I'll tell you what I got. I got the Viva Wraps carbon fiber wrap. I'm going to wrap the hood. I got a new window regulator to take out this little plug here so I can roll the window up. I showed you guys in the last video or a couple videos ago that my tire debeaded, and I think I found out why. Is this metal whatever rod is stuck in the tire, and I've tried to pull it out with pliers with my hand. I mean, that thing is in, I don't know how deep it goes in there, but it is in there. So bought a new tire, and then I also bought, I don't think it will be here, but my car is still kind of misfiring. So I bought the 2.0 coil packs so I can do the get rid of the OEM plugs, and that should keep me at full boost. So this video probably mixed in with a little bit of IFO because there's still stuff going on with the Accord that I need to do. So today I'm gonna load up the tire, take it to the tire shop with a new tire, and see if I can get the wheels back mounted. And I also bought a new tail light for when I backed into my car. I bought some black and red, some Depot headlights. So hopefully at least those are here so I can into the show. There's tons of stuff that needs touched up, but it'll be all right. Yo, this stretch tire thing is full of birds, man. This tire is brand new. Like, look at that. This is the new tire. This is the one I'm replacing. Like, just replaced it. Still, it's full of life. But because of stupid stuff like this, and that's in the sidewall, so yep, brand new tire has to go in. So continuing a little bit of the prep on the Audi for this weekend's IFO. Ever since I got this car, it's always had this stuck in the window. So pretty much someone could have pushed the window down. It hasn't come down much, but I'm taking the whole entire window apart and replacing this because this is broken. But of course, Audi can't be simple, so really you have to take the whole inside of this frame apart just to get to the regulator. So I got all the bolts out here, and I'm gonna just pull the window from the top. I wish I had my tripod to set it down, but we'll see if we can record this. They said owning an Audi would be fun until you got to replace the window regulator and you got to take the whole door apart. Like literally, my door, that's half the door, the other half. Just replace the window regulator. So today is Saturday, the day before IFO, and I still got a ton of work to do on the Audi. I wish I was saying Accord, but that's coming. That's coming. But I'm gonna bring the Audi. I just met up with my boy Gabe to pick up the fender roller because I'm eating up my tires because the car is so low in the front. The back is fine, but I'm gonna do the front and the back. So I can air out and drive like that if I want to drive aired out. So I got this. I almost got my window done. I'll show you guys that. And according to tracking, my vinyl wrap should be here today. Hopefully when I get back home now, it should be here. So if that is here, then I am wrapping my hood before tomorrow. So it's gonna be a fun day. So we'll see what we get done. We'll see if we can make the car look like something other than trash, like it does right now. So we'll see. So decided to do something a little different with the Audi. I liked it on the Accord, so I'm gonna try it on the Audi. I'm not spending $1,000 for a carbon fiber hood, but I will spend about 60 bucks for a roll of carbon fiber wrap that I am going to wrap the hood in. So not really sure how it's gonna turn out because I've never done it before, but here it is in the sunlight. Looks pretty good. So I'm gonna get to wrapping. Three-o. It's about an hour and a half later. Still a lot of work to do as far as getting the bubbles out and everything, but I'm almost there. Pretty proud of myself for one, doing it by myself, and the first time doing it. Once I clean it up, hopefully before the sun goes down, you can see it in the light. If not, I will show it tomorrow at IFO. But here's the progress. The main part left I need to do is the front of the bumper here, and then I gotta do all the cutting and put some heat on it to get all the bubbles out that I can, and I'll almost be done.
see how this works. He passes under. Well done. If they touch that, if they touch, they are out. And we're gonna hand out some trophies. And you're probably thinking, there's 2 trophies. Why is there 2 trophies? Shiny, thinking, why is there 2 trophies? I know. If I could read woman's mind, it's my dating life. Oh, cheesy. We're gonna have Roadster and non-Roadster. Get those 2 categories up. Roadsters think Miatas. Non-Roadsters think RX-7 like this. There's a back seat, not a Roadster. Wait, it's a back seat? Make sure I said that right. Why don't you start picking up hot chicks? Oh, you trying to cook the corn dog? Oh. That was the Camaro. Honda, you ready? Honda, 3, 2, 1, hit it! Somebody keyed your car, bro. That's what they call a dick move. Unless you double parked. All right, let me hear it for the Camaro. 2, 1. Holy carbon monoxide, Batman. Catch my breath. Got the coal miners on now. Let me hear it for the Lexus. Sounds like about half of you. Uh-oh. Let me hear it for the Honda. And that is slightly more than half of you. I loved it, but Lexus, we're going to have you pull forward. Thank you for pulling up.
That is a staging lane. Car 171. You're not going to run. Get the car out of the staging lane. Thank you. Staging lane 8, move your car. That's not a parking place. That is a staging lane. Car 171. You're not going to run. Get the car out of the staging lane. Thank you.
So I'm editing the video now, and I realized I did not close out this video. Sorry, I look messed up and tired. It's late. But thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, it will be more content of the Accord. Hopefully, it'll be going to the tuner pretty soon here. I don't know exactly when, but it'll be more progress on the Accord and hopefully finishing that up. So you guys stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.